Hello everybody, this is your stay-home grandmom and I've got my psychology mug. Yes, my psychology mug. I have mugs. I had a bunch of mugs and I gave a bunch of them away. I saved the ones that I got from traveling from place to place. But I just fell in love with this mug and I asked if I could review it and they said yes. And so here it is. This is it. I'm taking it out of the box and it says psychology. The science that tells you what you already know using words you cannot understand. And then it says, so that's what it says. And I studied psychology for years. It's pretty good. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. And I will leave all the information in your comment section. I love you. I don't know. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.